guys, Jess Starr here with the Starr team at LPT Realty, standing outside our beautiful new listing. This one is 545 Southstone in West Suffield, Connecticut. It is an amazing colonial. It's got a great farmhouse front porch. I love this property. Look at this amazing in-ground pool. Perfect to enjoy those long summer days and nights. It is almost 3 acres on this private property. It's got this great composite deck that I'm standing on right here. You're not going to want to miss this one. Done in 2018. It's got 3 generously sized bedrooms, a great primary suite that's got an awesome walk-in closet. It's got its own ensuite bath as well. Huge 2-car garage. There's a bonus room upstairs as well that could be a 4th bedroom. Great for a family room, game room, exercise room, office, you name it. Really, really versatile. So if you need the 4th bedroom, it is up there, but it also could be a great family room. It's got a nice open floor plan downstairs. Refresh kitchen here in 2026. Central air. It's nice and private, tucked away, yet on the East Granby line, close to Bradley International Airport, I-91, nice and private, and close to shopping, close to restaurants, and yet tucked away, and you've got this beautiful, beautiful setting. You're going to want to dive in here. This one will not last long. These sellers say sell and it's priced to move. Nice hardwood floors throughout the first floor, and a nice fireplace as well. All open floor plan between the kitchen and the family room. It's got a nice living room and dining too. Give us a call if you want to see this property. This one won't last long. 860-325-2484, or visit us on our website at starteam.com. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.